Before we start with our lesson, which is a square of a binomial, let's first have an overview. Sandali! Before we start with our lesson, which is a square of a binomial, let's first have an overview with a square. Square is a four-sided figure with four right angles and four equal sides. To get the area of a square, we have to square one of its sides. Let's take for an example. If one side of a square measures 3 units, what is the area? Now take a look. Substitute the side with 3 units. Then square 3 units becomes 9 square units. Another try. What if the side measures 5 cm, or 10 cm, or 14 cm? Now let us look at the solution. If the side is 5 cm, square 5 cm is 25 square centimeter. Another one is 10 cm. The square is 100 square centimeter. And if it's 14 centimeter, the area is 196 square centimeter. What if one side measures x units, wherein x represents any number? What is the area of a square? We have x squared. If we are going to expand 2 units from the square x, we can have x plus 2. Now to get the area of the expanded square, we have a equals x plus 2 squared. Squaring a binomial is multiplying the base twice by itself. So we have x plus 2 and x plus 2, and the product is x squared plus 4x plus 4 square unit. Now, how did we get it? Using FOIL method. F represents first terms of the binomial, O as the outer term of the binomial, I as the inner terms of the binomials, and L as the last terms of the binomials. Now, we multiply the first terms of the binomials. We have x and x equals x squared. This time we multiply the outer terms of the binomials, and we have x and 2 equals 2x. We also multiply the inner terms of the binomials. We have 2 and x equals 2x. And finally, let's multiply the last terms of the binomials. So what we've got, 2 and 2 equals 4. Let's try another one. X plus 5 squared equals x plus 5 and x plus 5. So f, or the first term, is x and x equals x squared. The outer term is x and positive 5 equals positive 5x. The inner term is positive 5 and x equals positive 5x. And the last term is positive 5 and positive 5 equals positive 25. So we have x squared plus 5x plus 5x plus 25. And combining similar terms, we have x squared plus 10x plus 25. Another one. 2x plus 1 squared equals 2x plus 1 and 2x plus 1. So first term is 2x and 2x equals 4x squared. The outer term is 2x plus 1 equals positive 2x. The inner term is positive 1 and 2x equals positive 2x. And the last term is positive 1 and positive 1 equals positive 1. So we have 4x squared plus 2x plus 2x plus 1. Combining similar terms, we have 4x squared plus 4x plus 1. So, I want you to complete the table now. First term, what do we have? So, x plus 4 squared, the first term is x squared. The second term is 8x. And the last term is 16. Next. So 2x plus 3 squared. What do we have in the first term? 4x squared plus 12x. And the last term we have positive 9. So what about the last? X minus 9 squared. First term, we have x squared. The second term is negative 18x. And the last term is positive 81.